Welcome back to Doyle.Lechner Art. I'm Sam. Thanks for coming along and watching my video. So this week I'm able to finally show you the second Goldfinch watercolour painting. I don't want to say too much right now because I want to discuss a few things with you at the end, well, after I've shown the painting process of this picture. So for right now, I'll just say I enjoyed painting this picture. I'm really happy to share it with you. So right now, maybe get yourself a cup of tea or whatever it is that you drink. Sit back, relax and watch me paint. hope you were able to enjoy watching me paint now. The goldfinch is most definitely a very special bird. That red patch on top of his head is so beautiful. My only regret was in the second painting you weren't able to see his tail, which had that beautiful yellow patch on, but the red patch was there more predominant than in the first picture, I think, so it definitely made up for it. But so beautiful, the different colours on him, the subtle golds and cream colours. Definitely a bird that is worth painting. So yeah, I enjoyed doing that, but I'm also glad that that project is finished and that I'll move on to some other material now. Once again, thanks to my dad for the reference material from his garden in Scotland. Thanks, Dad. One of the things I wanted to talk to you about was that at the moment on my channel, I'm producing 3 videos a week. I only ever intended to do 1 video a week, to tell the truth, and I was going to combine a few different elements of the things that I wanted to do for the channel. I wanted to introduce my painting, and I wanted to produce work and show people what it is that I'm doing, and help find a community for myself, because I do live in quite an isolated area in Germany. But yeah, I wanted to maybe use the internet to spread myself out into the world a little bit more and share what it is that I'm creatively doing. I'm really interested in seeing what other people do as well. Excuse me. But you know, I wanted to use also my dogs, my drama dogs, Maddie and Rosie. I love these two little guys a lot, and they're always bringing such antics into our family that I wanted to share them with you as well. At first I combined everything together and I was really happy with that, but I decided to break it down a little bit, and I started to do a separate video of them and do a separate video of me painting an inspiration challenge each week, you know, the inspiration being something that is inspiring to me. I was also asked quite often to do some tips, or to give some tips, and even though I don't know if I feel comfortable in myself giving tutorials, I was more than happy to give a few tips. So that's how I ended up having 3 different videos on my channel each week. My problem is that I spend so much time filming for those things, and I love filming for them and editing them and putting the ideas together for them and producing them to put onto my channel for you, that I'm actually struggling doing other projects that I've been approached about. I've got a few projects that I haven't discussed on my channel, and I hope to in a future date, but I'm not going to be able to do that unless I start working on them more earnestly, and I'm finding the struggle with that at the moment. So I am going to actually take the next week free. For 2 reasons. One, I need to figure out how I'm going to continue with the future of this channel. This channel will continue. This is not something that I'm doing without promise. I will continue doing this channel. I don't know if that'll be at the moment of in 1 video a week again, or 2 videos a week. But I would like to take a moment to reassess where it is that I'm taking this channel, and to reassess how I can complete my other projects as well. And it's also not just about work, it's also about a work-life balance. I'm struggling. I have 4 children, and with everything that's gone crazy in the world in the last year, a bit more than a year, I need to be there for all of them as well. So I need to strike, I feel, a better work-life balance, where I can be there for my family, be the full-time mum that I am, also be the artist that I want to be, and to provide a quality content for you, internet people. So I'm also feeling a little bit under the weather, so I'm actually going to take the next week free to make sure that I'm not getting a cold, and to also take a review on how it is that I would like to continue with this channel. I hope you understand that and don't lose interest. I will literally only be gone for a week, so I'll be right back after that with the new video and a new strategy format for how it is that I would like to continue with this channel. Please don't lose interest, don't unsubscribe, because you, my subscribers, you're extremely important to me, and I have a few subscribers. I treasure every single one of you. So please don't lose faith in me, and it is only a small break. I do everything myself. I don't have any team behind me who can like do the editing for me. My two sons have been great. They both took the challenge themselves of filming some dog filming for me, which was a great help. So that's kind of how I saw that I need to structure myself and my life here a little bit better if this is the path that I'm taking. And the path that I'm taking, I'm committed to this path. So I'm taking a week away to restructure some things so that I can come back happier and stronger for myself and for you. So in advance, I'd like to say thank you and stick around. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today. So I will be back. So I'm not going to be filming this week. I will be filming the following week, which means that I will be back on the 13th of June. And I hope then to show you what I've painted for that week and to come back at you with a strategy that helps me achieve everything that I want and to still be there for you, my subscribers. So yeah, again, thank you. Please have patience with me. This is still a big learning process for me, but I am committed to this channel and to you, and I will see you again on the 13th. So I'd like to say thank you for sticking with me this long with this talking now. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I wish you all a great week. Well, I guess it would be 2 weeks, so I will see you again on the 13th of June. Thanks a lot, have a great 2 weeks, and I'll speak to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.